Are you looking to turn your spare hardware into a powerful, user-friendly home server? Meet CasaOS. It is a community-based open-source software designed to simplify the management of your home cloud. By providing a beautiful, intuitive dashboard, CasaOS transforms the often complex world of server management into a seamless, visual experience. Whether you are hosting file storage, media servers, or smart home automation, CasaOS acts as the perfect interface to keep everything organized and accessible from any device. While you can install it directly on bare metal hardware for a dedicated setup, it is also an exceptional method for testing and managing web applications within Docker containers. Its one-click install approach makes deploying new services incredibly fast, removing the friction of manual configuration. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to install CasaOS inside Proxmox, giving you the flexibility to run your home cloud alongside your other virtualized environments. Open the Proxmox web GUI. For testing purposes, I have set up a test virtual machine in Proxmox. Go to the Hardware tab. Select the DVD drive. Choose Use DVD Disk Image File, ISO to be specific. In my case, I will select my Network Share ISO folder. I will pick Debian Testing AMD6 for Net Install. Go to the Console tab. Make sure to click inside the console, and press Escape to enter the boot menu. Choose UEFI QEMU DVD-ROM and press Enter. Pick Graphic Install. Select your location. Pick the correct keyboard. Enter the computer host name. Fill in domain name if you want, I will choose No. Set the root password and confirm. Now set up the user account. Set the user password. In the next step, we will configure the drive. Pick Guided, use entire disk. For an easy setup, pick all files in one partition. Finish partitioning and write changes to disk and press Yes to confirm. Wait till the system installs. No need to scan extra installation media. Skip the survey. No need for a desktop environment, turn off GNOME and leave the other ones unchecked. Enable SSH server for remote CLI access. Let the installation finish and reboot the system. Remove the ISO, otherwise the computer may reboot to the ISO. In Proxmox, I simply stop the virtual machine. Then open the Hardware tab of the virtual machine. Select the DVD drive and set to Do Not Use Any Media. Start the virtual machine, and now the system should boot into the installed Linux operating system. Open your terminal emulator, and SSH into the virtual machine. To get custom settings from GitHub, start by installing Git. Switch over to the user account, and clone the GitHub repository. Because we are using a minimal Debian OS, we also need to install sudo. Make sure you are logged in as the root account, and add the user account to the sudo group. Update the system. Open to .files/.config/deploy scripts folder. Run the .file clean and stow scripts. Install the fish shell if it's not installed yet. Install CasaOS. If curl is not installed, install curl first. Now we can install using the curl command, including the CasaOS URL and piping the command into bash. Wait for CasaOS to install, this could take some time. After it's done, open a web browser. Fill in the IP address of the CasaOS server. This is the CasaOS welcome screen. Set up a separate account for CasaOS. Login and start the App Store. As a demonstration, I will install a couple of containers. Files is the built-in browser to access the user files. After installation, you can start the containers from the CasaOS web GUI if you prefer. Thank you for watching this video.